All right, here I am on polyvore.com. What you're going to need to do to get started is you're going to have to sign up. So I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Now I logged in using Facebook, which you don't have to do, but that's what I did. Okay, so how to create a new board, a new mood board. You're going to go to create, okay, and you're going to want it to look like this. If it has a template already in there, then try starting like a new, like I think there's a button over here that says new, but you want it to say create a collage over here. Okay, so what we are doing is we are making 3 separate mood boards. Okay, your first mood board is 5 pieces from the website, from Polyvore, 5 pieces, and you cannot go over $200. Okay, and on each one you're going to include the price. You're going to go to this document and you're just going to, I made the class roll a dice to figure out their 3 different requirements. So for example, they might have had joyful, violet, and school. So they had to create an outfit that would be that you would consider to be joyful, violet colors, and appropriate for school. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and let you just choose your 3. Okay, for the first one, you're going to do this for all 3. Then for the second one, you don't have to have a budget. Your second one, your requirement, you're going to go ahead and pick 3 different words again. You have to do at least one garment piece. One piece that we talked about back when we played Garment Bingo. You just have to include one garment piece that we talked about, and that is on our Google Classroom, the website. So, or the PowerPoint. So you can go back to that. You also have to have the 5 different pieces. And then you're going to include the 3 words from this page right here. So whether it's sassy, white, mall, you're going to make sure you have those 3 words on there. And you're going to make sure that you have mood board number 2 on there and the name of the garment piece. And then the third one, you are picking out 5 pieces that would be appropriate for your body type. When we did the body type lesson, so whether you are hourglass or pear or whatever your body type was, you're going to have to probably go back to shopyourshape.com and look again at some tips that they gave for your body type. And you're going to go find pieces that would be appropriate for your body type. So let me show you. Here's one of my examples. It's kind of small on here, but maybe I can pull it up on the website. They're bigger on here. Okay, so here was one. My first one that I did was mood board number 2, which was where you had to use one garment piece, and my color was red, ruby red, and date night. Those are my 3 words that I had rolled the dice that I got. So obviously I'm not going to have every single thing red because that will look crazy, but you can tell there's like a red theme. I would say this looks pretty sassy, okay? And it would be appropriate for a date night. Okay, so this would not necessarily be something we'd go hiking in, right? This would be something we would go on a date night with. Okay, so you have to have 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I went ahead and threw some earrings in there too, so you can do that as well. I put my 3 words, sassy, ruby red, date night. I put my title, mood board number 2, and I have my 1 garment piece, which was palazzo pants. That was one of our garment features. Okay, my other one that I made, let me go back to my sets. My 3 words, this was mood board number 3. This is the one that you had to find clothes that were appropriate for your body type. So I titled it mood board number 3, so I'd know, or you would know, that that was my goal for this particular mood board. My 3 words were laid back, navy, and birthday party. So I needed to find something that would be appropriate for a birthday party that was pretty laid back. So I'm not going to wear a formal dress with heels. I needed navy to be kind of the theme color. And since I put hourglass, that's not necessarily me, but I just chose hourglass from this particular example. And then I had 2 different words from the website, from shopyourshape.com, that they talked about would be good for an hourglass figure, form-fitting tops, defined waist. So I found clothes that would work with those two things that would be appropriate for that. So, and you can see I went with the navy here with the purse, the shoes, the wallet. Okay, so real quick, you're going to hit create, and then you'll see it says create collage. So let's just say you have, we're just going to go with white. And for now, that's where we're going to go white. We're going to go white, and we're going to be going to the prom, okay? And we're going to have, how about innocent, okay? So since we're going to go to prom, I'm going to go to dresses, okay? And you can even type in this box white. Okay, so it will give you all the white dresses. So I've got to find something that would be appropriate for prom. And we'll just say this will be for the third one. This is the your figure. Okay, so let's look at this one. Now you can also, for that first one where you have to do it in a budget, you can click on something and you can see what the budget is for it. Okay, or like how much that particular piece costs. Okay, so what about this? This looks like it could be pretty. Okay, that looks good for prom. It's white, pretty innocent, sweet. Okay, now I'm going to look for some shoes. So I'm going to click on shoes. I think I'm going to do some white shoes, or maybe I might do some gold or silver too, but we'll just go with white for this particular. Let's just say we're going to do these right here. Okay, so you just drag them on there and you get to make like a little collage. I'm thinking of maybe a bag would be good. So you click on bags. And I do have a lot of things on here white, which is fine. You want it to look like that color theme. Let's see, I think I already did that. Okay, so I'm going to find something that would be appropriate for prom. Probably a little clutch, something not huge. Maybe this one we'll go with, okay? And maybe I'll do some jewelry, maybe some gold jewelry or something. So I'm going to pick jewelry right here. Okay, we'll just go with this right here. Okay, and then I'll still need one more item. So you can decide what that item's going to be. So I'm thinking maybe another piece of some earrings. Okay, so we'll just find some earrings. We'll go on there. So we have our 5 pieces. Okay, that would fall into that particular, and you can move things around. Now I'll show you for adding text. You're going to click on women. You're going to click on text. You can pick whatever font you want. Okay. Now that you don't want it to say I love Polyvore, so you're going to come to this text box and you're going to type your words in there, white, and then hit update. You can adjust, where does it go? Okay, there we go. You can adjust the size by just taking it from the corner, right? So you're going to want your 3 words. Can't remember what there was. White. What did I say? Innocent. Okay. Wherever you put that, and we're going to prom. You have to re-click on it every single time. So prom. Okay, since I was doing mood board number 3 for this particular example, I will want to make sure, I probably want to bring everything down so I can write a title. Okay. I'm going to make sure that I put a title. And then since this was the shop your shape, you had to have your things. I'll want to make sure I add a title for defined waist. You have to have 2 for that particular one. So that's basically it. When you have it and you have all the requirements, you're going to publish. You can title it mood board. I'm going to put number 4 because I already have several. So you're going to put women's fashion. I do not want to share this with anybody. publish. Okay, and this is going to show up in your sets. So there's probably a way you can share this. I think you can send this link to me and that will probably be just fine. But if not, another way to do it is you can right click on it, save the image to your desktop, and then just submit that one image to Google Classroom. So hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions, let me know. Good luck.